Project Hail Mary was really nice. Poppy War was actually also really nice. And A Stage Set for Villains talaga. I keep on raving about that. Hindi yan sikat dito A Stage Set for Villains. And it's really good. Yung kakagising ko lang. Kagising ko lang. Thank you naman. Anong test ginawa ng doktor ko to check my rosacea? Wala, tinignan niya lang yung mukha ko. She was like, you have rosacea. And I don't doubt her. I like using my manual physical writing planner. I tried to keep an iPad for my notes and whatever, but I don't use it anymore. So, si Bambi gumagamit ng iPad ko nga nakikigamit siya. Yeah. Where did we create?
You know how Bobo says 1 to 5 in Spanish? He says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Oh, ano ba dapat? Ano dapat?
And you forgot what 11 was.
11.
Yeah.
Si Ate Bebe nga marunong eh. Diba? Taga-Sampuanga ka eh. Chabacano? Hindi ka marunong mag-Chabacano?
Sa city lang yan.
Sa city lang yun. Kasi Chabacano parang Spanish eh.
Broken Spanish. So, nung pumunta yung ko doon, yung ex tuwan-tuwa siya.
Kasi parang sa Spanish sila. Parang nagkakaintindihan sila.
Nagkakaintindihan
Talaga nagkakaintindihan sila.
Pero sinabi naman niya na parang hindi lahat, pero malapit.
Pero parang make out mo yung words. Best pens, I did a content about that na. My favorite is Uniball Zento. And Uniball 1 for journaling. Dalawa sila. Ito, I got na mahabang version. So, Uniball 1 na 0.5 and Uniball Zento na ballpoint na 0.5 din. I'm a 0.5 girl. I haven't tried fountain pens. Giftan nyo na lang ako. I don't want to start buying new things. I already spent so much on books.
Oh. You're supposed to eat it with a bread. He eats it with a spoon.
My bag.
Use na kutsarita.
I told you, Bob. I told you. I was doing the right thing.
No, he was about to put it in the mouth.
No. Where was that? No.
Wala pang sergeant at arms. Sasabihan ko na. Sasabihan ko kayo. I'm using Hobonichi. Hobonichi Techo. So, this is my journal. Pakita ko ulit sa inyo.
Country.
This is my journal. It's from Cada Dia. So, it's leather. This is my Hobonichi Techo. And my Hobonichi Techo is my everything. Meaning, day-to-day kasi ito eh. So, I journal sometimes. Ayan, my journals. Ayan, whatever. And then, all my learnings, my to-do lists are here. My meeting notes are here. Like, literally everything is here. Ayan, lahat ng kailangan kong gawin. Whatever. Yeah. Lahat ng mga nasa isip ko, andito.
What about the other black book under?
The other black box, this one is PD. Ay, tigilan mo kaka-football dito, Nitan. PD. So, all my PD ideas, my PD progress, whatever. And then, this is content. So, you know naman, before I film, gusto ko prepared ako. So, it's my content. So, that's my... Ay, may resibo pala ako dito, babe.
Why does it say whelmed?
Whelmed. Because I'm not underwhelmed. I'm not overwhelmed. I'm just
Whelmed.
whelmed. Sarap, di ba?
Okay.
Kahapon, after ko workout, pawis-pawis ako. Sabi ko, I want to enjoy my own company and I want to treat myself to a nice dinner. Eh, kaso nakapang pilates ako, which means nakachinelas ako, tsaka pawis-pawis ako. Pero there's this one nice restaurant, Michelin awarded siya. Si Siva. Na-try nyo na ba doon sa San Juan? Sabi ko, I wanna give it another chance. I wanna eat there again. Kasi I remember, nung kumain ako doon last time, it was just okay, you know? Sabi ko, I wanna eat at Siva. Kaso nga, sabi ko, baka may dress code sila, hindi ako nakaano. So, tumawag ako. Sabi ko, hi, can I reserve a seat for one? Kaso, sabi ko, nakapang pilates nga ako. Tapos sabi niya, okay lang po, basta naka-close shoes. Ay, sabi ko, sis, hindi ako naka-close shoes. Naka-ano ako, slides. So, pinayagan naman ako. So, I went there. Oh my God! First time ko mag-angkas for more. Nag-angkas ako yesterday. 3 beses ako nag-angkas. Nag-enjoy naman ako. Hiniram ko yung helmet ni Bebe. So, ito yung in-order ko sa Siva. This is hot crab dip. Something like that. Yeah. Ayaw mo? Labang ko yan. Yeah. So, pinayagan naman, long story short, pinayagan naman nila ako, nakakain naman ako. And it was a nice dinner. So, I ordered, ito, tinake out ko din, vongole, and the hot crab dip. And then they gave me complimentary dessert. So, happy. The dessert was actually really good. Para siyang ice cream with passion fruit with meringue. I'm not so hungry pala. Parang masarap din yung hotdog.
Bro.
Ano lasa ng vongole? Vongole is one of my favorite pastas. So, ano siya? Alam niyo yung halaan? Like clams, yung may shell. Ganun siya. Tapos niluluto siya in the halaan juice, sometimes in butter and in wine, like white wine. Ganun. Hindi pa ako nakakain ng masarap na I would say masarap na vongole dito sa Pilipinas. This one in kay Siva was okay. Wala pa ako na vongole. Di ba yan lagi ko order, no? Na-outgrow ko na kasi yung truffle pasta. Nasawa na ako. I also like, ano ba bang pasta in-order ko? Parang laging vongole. Ano kasi ako, may hyperfixation ako. So, say for example, meron akong food na gusto. Lagi yun yung orderin ko for like a year. Ganun ako. Malansa ba? Hindi naman malansa. Pag tama siguro yung pagkakaluto.
Wait, after I eat.
Oh, thank you. Di ba first base really good? Ano daw, mas maganda daw si third base kaysa kay Huda. Guys, itong loose powder na ilo-launch namin, ang benchmark namin here is, like, the thinking is, it should be better than international premium luxury brands. Yun yung thinking namin here. So, hindi talaga siya makakompare locally. And it will outperform your favorite international brands like One Size, Kosas, Huda, Laura Mercier, as in. So, if you have those products, compare it. Or if you wanna buy those, eto na yun. Like, this one is so much better. Wala pang Sergeant at Arms restock. Di pa ako binabalikan ni production. Pero I followed up na yesterday. Minute ko na nga yung may-ari ng factory kahapon. We will have a minis para affordable. Pero ako na lang sasabi sa inyo, it's one of our most expensive base products yet because it is really that premium. Bakit takot ka sa talc-free na powder? Let me know. I might be able to provide context. Oh, 6 games in pickleball. Wow. Si third base daw. Mas ito si Bake Base. Bebe, guyabano. Wala na. Ano pa meron dyan? Bala bumili na ako dun sa grocery. You know what my favorite tea is? Guyabano. Like, I really like guyabano tea. It tends to go patchy sa mukha ko, naghuhulas. That's why takot ako sa talc-free. Oh, okay. So here's the misconception. A lot of talc-free powders kasi what they do is they just remove talc. Pero wala silang ibang ginagawa. Yun yung apple na lang siguro. Yan. For us, peach. Okay lang, okay. So what they do is they just remove talc, but they don't replace what talc contributes to the formula. So, kaya siya nagiging patchy, kaya nagiging hindi siya oil control and whatever. Kasi talc is like oil controlling. Talc is like a good base din naman kasi. So, kaya pumapangit yung ibang powders when they remove talc. But what we did for us is we replaced talc with more premium formulations, like more premium ingredients. So, say for example, what we did is, si Bake Base kasi, it comes with a soft focus oil control technology. Soft focus oil control compound yun eh. It's compound. It's a combination of ingredients. So, it comes with silica, kaolin, and smoothing powders. So, yung tatlong yon ang replacement ng talc na tinanggal namin dun sa formula. Kaya mapapansin nyo na hindi siya also starchy. A lot of the loose powders kasi na I've tried in the process of development, both international and local, starchy siya. Alam niyo yung para siyang cornstarch. Parang ganun, parang nagbubuo-buo. Ganun siya. When you experience si Bake Base, makikita nyo na sobrang fine, sobrang pino, hindi siya nagbubuo-buo. Kaya, some products parang in volume, marami sila, but that's because it's really starchy. So si Bake Base, makikita nyo, it's really super fine. And even though it's talc-free, it's so much better because of that soft focus compound nga na may oil control. Kasi it's silica, kaolin, and smoothing powder. So when you apply it to your skin, you will see how smooth your skin is. And not only that, it really gets rid of the oil. Like, it really absorbs the oil. You will experience it. Like, pag na-try mo na siya, sabi mo, okay, gets. Kapag na-wear test mo na siya, mag-gets mo yung difference. Ang bango. So, Bake Base will be below 700 naman. Below 700. Yeah, it's compatible with all bases. Like, kung anong bases man yung suot nyo, it's okay. It's gonna be fine. Sobrang init naman yata nito, be. O hindi?
Lagyan ko siya ng konti. Malamig.
Okay. Below 700 siya. Kaya you know what? If you're really like, gusto ko bumili ng Laura Mercier, or gusto ko bumili ng Natasha Denona, or gusto ko bumili ng Charlotte Tilbury, or One Size, or Cosas, alam nyo, you will get a performance even better than those for like less than half the price. Kasi magkano ba Laura Mercier? Magkano yun? 2,000? Like Charlotte Tilbury. Like Natasha Denona was like 3,000 when I got it, I think. Pero si Bake Base, like it's only gonna be less than 700 pesos. Pero mas maganda pa yung performance niya. Maniwala kayo sa akin. Well, si third base pang everyday siya. Si baked base pang hulasan. Ganun mo siya isipin. Pwede pa rin naman siya pang everyday, pero pang hulas siya. So, say for example, I'm just gonna go to the grocery. I'll wear third base. Pero kunyari, I'll attend an event. Or I'm gonna go to the office and I'll be out for 12 hours. Ganyan. And alam ko mapapawisan ako. Baked base. It is acne safe because we clinically tested it na it's non-comedogenic. Plus, if you're afraid of talc, it's talc-free. You find correct base so drying. Is your under eyes really dry? You might need to hydrate here. Yeah. Or baka mas prefer mo ng mas hydrating formula. Si correct base kasi, it's really made to be self-setting. So if you're like really dry, like your skin is really dry, baka mas better for you other formulas. Mas bongga si baked base, Dea, as in. Sige nga, I challenge you. I-wear test mo, sis. It's gonna be less than 700, guys. Less than 700, but it will also come in minis. So if you just wanna try it. Cersei was a 4. Cersei was a 4. This one is a peach tea. Bango niya. Well, si baked base, hindi siya magiging like 30 grams or 20 grams. Hindi ganon. Kasi we put it in a compact na you guys wanted. Remember, I always explain to you naman na if you wanna put a mirror, if you wanna make the component really good, then we will have to like compromise. So for baked base, like the formula's really good. We priced it less than 700 para afford pa din. Pero the grammage, hindi siya like 20 grams levels. Hindi. Kasi we improved the component. Number one, we didn't use the same material na as third base and blur base. Kasi sabi niyo napuputol, right? Yung materials kasi na yun are called AS plastic siya. For baked base, we used 2 levels higher than AS. We used PETG, which is sturdier. So, hindi na to dapat mapuputol. So, we invested there. And then, we put a mirror also. And then, we used a mesh component. So, all of those are expensive. Kaya, the compromise is, the grammage isn't 20 grams level. Pero 2 digits naman siya. And the formula is really good. So, just to set expectations, yun yung explanation niya. Mesh siya, mesh. Mahal din ang mesh versus sifter. So, lahat ng ikaka-premium ng product, premium siya, pero we gave it to you at the price point that's below 700 pesos. So, I need you to understand what it takes para maging less than 700 pesos siya. Baka kasi hindi naman siya 5 grams lang. Hindi naman siya ganon. 2 digits pa rin naman siya. Yeah. So, para lang magets nyo. Kasi kapag ginawa namin yun parang 20 grams or 15 grams, aabot na siguro kami ng mga, pag 20 grams yun, siguro mga 1.5. Masyado na siyang mahal. So, parang hindi colored pricing yun. Yeah, so 2 digits pa rin yung grammage niya, pero less than 15 grams. Yeah. Pero, lahat na ng nire-request nyo na improvement sa component, nandun na. Like, may mirror na siya, madadala nyo na siya, and yung material is PETG. So, hindi siya same material as blur base. Nakikita ko naman yung comments nyo sa blur base na napuputol sometimes yung salamin. Yeah. So, PETG na siya. Parang 2 levels higher siya than the AS material ni blur base. So, mahal siya. Like cost-wise, mahal siya. Pero nilaban ko yun. Maraming pag-aaway ang ginawa namin sa lamesa. Para lang ma-push ko yung lalagyan na yon at yung formula na yon. Kaya kailangan suportahan nyo siya. Kasi pag hindi nyo siya sinuportahan, hindi na ako ulit makakapaglabas ng mga formula na ganun kaganda. Sa mga lalagyan na ganun kaganda. Mahirap. Pag hindi nyo siya... Kasi syempre, pag hindi nyo siya binili, hindi man to manipulation na. Share ko lang. Pag hindi nyo siya binili, ibig sabihin, hindi tama yung direksyon. Ganon siya. Pag hindi nyo siya binili. From a business perspective, right? So, para siyang suntok sa buwan na, okay, ibigay natin sa kanila yung formula na gusto nila, na deserve nila, na super high performance talaga. Lahat ng mga gusto nyong claims nandun and substantiated. Ibig sabihin ng substantiated is napatunayan. And then, ilagay natin sa magandang component talaga na hindi masisira. Madadala nila, may salamin, magandang salamin, and mesh for more. And then, i-price natin siya. Isa ito sa pinakamahal namin na products nga. And let's see if it works. So, if it doesn't work, it means na we can't do something like that again. So, I'm really hoping it's gonna work. Yun. So, same explanation. If we put a mirror on third base, tataas yung presyo niya. Kasi that means we're gonna have to remold another component. Kasi you can't just put a mirror on the component na meron siya ngayon. Pag nilagay mo yung mirror doon, hindi mo naman lalagay yung puff. I don't know if I'm gonna go to MIBF. I'm not sure. I might. Or probably won't. I don't know. Ang ginagawa mo, girl?
Where's mommy? Where's mom? Wait.
She's hiding from you. No, it's not refillable. Yan, na-fix na namin si Super Base on the second production. New atomizer na yun. Pero you have to also understand na yung formula ni Super Base, just like with Huda Beauty and... Sino pa ba yung isang may film formers na may powder? May nag-post recently na international brand din. It requires a certain level of maintenance. Well, it's not every day, but it requires a certain level of maintenance. Like, for me, what I do is I declog the atomizer probably every month or every 3 weeks. You just have to dip it in warm water. Because the formula is way advanced than the atomizers that are currently available in the market. To be honest, that's the short explanation of it. We're still looking, pero wala pa rin talaga. Like, kinalughog na namin ang China at ang Taiwan. So what happens kasi is, di ba the formula is really nice? Di ba sabi niyo, ang ganda talaga ng formula, pero hindi kasi nakakasabay yung atomizer sa formula. Kasi, may powder at may film former siya. So, every time you use it, syempre may residue dun sa atomizer na powder and film former. Nagka-clog sila dun. So, the maintenance that it requires lang is, like, every 3 weeks, you soak it in warm water. That's what I do. What the industry needs to make is like a self-cleaning atomizer. I don't know if that exists already. So, mas advanced yung formula kaysa sa package. And we tried to look na.
Water for emergency lang. Kasi he won't get normal water from the dispenser. He will get it from the ref. Kasi we have 3 plastic bottles na pang emergency lang.
Ah, okay.
And he's drinking from it.
I'll fill it up again.
And
Why pang emergency?
kasi we have water dispenser.
No, I mean, why do you need cold water for emergency?
No, we don't need cold water for emergency. We need water so that, diba, it's cold.
Yeah, it's in the ref.
Yeah, it's in the ref.
Oh.
Diba, it's cold.
Oh.
But then we bring it for like 2 days. It's not cold anymore, but it's still
Okay. So why is it in the ref then?
preservatives.
Ano preservatives?
And
Water doesn't have preservatives. What are you talking about?
And then Mom was drinking from the
Water doesn't expire.
but the container does.
Correct. Galing ah. Galing, galing. Very good.
But plastic takes like years to erode.
Mommy, Bobo's drinking it, and then he says he's gonna fill it up in the water dispenser. Pero he just won't get water with a glass from the water dispenser.
Yeah, you know what? You should get water from the dispenser.
It's faster.
You're lazy. Like, can you just do it the proper way?
Oh, bother. No.
Yeah. Bambi is correct. Narinig nyo siya. Like water in a water bottle, the water does not expire. But what expires is the container.
Well, doesn't plastic take years to erode?
That's why we have microplastics in our body because we keep on consuming stuff in plastic. So we ingest plastic. And like 100 years from now, they're gonna discover like, oh, the people from like 2000s, that millennia, have so much plastics in their body. I'm sure. Can you not?
Oh! He's doing bottle flips with it.
I landed it.
Can you not? Can you already put it back in the ref, porfa?
Fill it up.
Yeah.
Talk free si Bake Base. Yes. Super oil controlling pag super base and bake. As in. Kahit 24 hours siya. Nagboxing ako the other day. Winner test ko siya. Yun yung combination ko.
Why did I have
Yeah, August ang restock ni Sergeant at Arms. Well, hindi pa naman tapos ang August, sister. Ano pa lang, August 21 pa lang. Meron pang, may 31 bang August? February, March, April, May, June, July, August. Meron pang 10 days, sister. May 10 days pa para makapag-restock ng Sergeant at Arms. Wala pa, hindi pa ako pinabalikan. Minute ko yung factory yesterday.
what do you have some?
It's tape for my feet. There.
Why?
To like support the muscles. Ganyan kayo mag-check ng month. So, your knuckles, like from one hand, will say kung 30 or 31 yung days.
No, it's
January, February, kapag may bukol, 31 days. Kapag pagbutas siya, pag uka siya, 30 days lang or 28 days. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August. September, October, November, December. Ganun mag-check to. Diba? Sa knuckles na. You learn something new every day. You learn something new every day.
I already know that. You've been doing it my whole life. Then.
What? You've been doing it your whole life? I've been doing it your whole life? Yeah. I learned it when I was a kid. Pwede siya for dry skin. Nasa caption ang launch ni Bake Base. Kayo naman, di kayo nagbabasa. August 27. Baka hindi na namin tuloy yung clusters. Ang hirap niya eh.
What clusters?
Cluster lashes.
Why?
Bili na lang kayo doon sa magagaling. Parang ang hirap.